If you want to monitor and control your Android device on Windows, here's how to do it. On your phone, open Settings, scroll down until you see About Phone, open it, then open Software Information. Now tap on Build Number 7 times. If you have a PIN number, enter that so you can continue. After that, a small notification will show up to inform you that you've successfully enabled developer options. Now go back to the main settings and you will find a new section called Developer Options, so open it. Scroll down until you see USB debugging and enable it. And that's it for the Android setup. Now on Windows, go to this link and download this open source tool called scrcpy, which stands for Screen Copy. Scroll down to the Assets section and download the right version for your system. For the most part, it should be 64-bit. It will download a compressed file. Unzip it, then go to the folder inside. Now make sure to connect the Android phone via the USB cable to the PC. Next, run this file that ends with noconsole.vps. It may not show anything on Windows, but on your phone, it should show you a pop-up to allow the tool to access your phone. If it didn't show up, disconnect the USB cable and reconnect it again and do the same thing. When the pop-up shows up, click Allow, and on Windows, open the file again. Now you can monitor your phone and even control it. You can use your mouse and keyboard. Also, you can output the audio directly to Windows, which is great. Using the phone via the USB cable is the preferable way. However, if you want to do it wirelessly, you have to make sure that the Android phone and Windows are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And also the Android phone is still connected via the USB cable. This is really important. After that, on Windows, close the monitoring window if you have it running already. Then open this file that's called openaterminalhere.bat. Now just write scrcpy space --tcpip. Then hit enter. Now it will ask you to allow the connection from the Android device. If you use your own PC and Android device, just click Always Allow from this computer so you won't have to allow each time you want to connect. Now tap Allow and disconnect the USB cable. Then go back to the command prompt on Windows and press the up arrow key to bring back what you wrote earlier. Then hit enter. Now you can mirror and control your Android device wirelessly like you did via the USB cable. You will quickly notice that it's a bit laggy and choppy. This is the drawback that you will have to deal with using the wireless method. When you restart your Windows machine, you will have to do the steps that we showed earlier, and that's because the wireless method needs to verify the IP address of your Android device. If you want to share files between Android and Windows, watch this video next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.